So I'm doing a morning routine and I wasn't gonna talk in it, but I had to share because it is thundering outside and like drizzling, and I just cannot believe how perfect this morning is. Like, this is not always how great my mornings are. Like, I don't always wake up early, have time to do all this stuff, and like even do a quiet time. But this is like it's so nice. Like, I don't know if you can hear the thunder, but wow. I don't know. I've been away in every state line, dying to make it last as a lifetime. Trying to shake. So I'm all ready now. I'm gonna do an outfit of the day really in a second, but I'm just dressed up because I honestly just wanted to, and it's cold and rainy outside, so I don't know, I have like so many fun fall clothes and I just really wanted to wear them, so there's no really reason for me to be dressed up right now. I just wanted to, and maybe it'll make me more productive because I actually have a lot of work I need to get done today. So this is like the first thing, like you got ready, you can do other things, you know, So this is my outfit. It's very simple. I'm just wearing, I put my makeup on. This is a ColourPop lip color calypso or something. My necklace, I'm wearing like a turtleneck from Target, and then this sweater on top, which I thrifted, but I think it's from, I don't know, I can look at that. And then my Madewell jeans, skinny jeans. These are from Old Navy. They're kind of a weird shape. Like, they're not the cutest things in the world, but I like that they're like, I don't care if I get them messed up because it's rainy. So yeah, oh, and I'm wearing these hoops, which I got in England, but I mean, they're just like the most simple little hoops. So that is the outfit. Hello. So that was a weird hello. I'm in the car and I'm going to work on homework at the Brew coffee shop because I have a lot of homework to do. It's 10:30, so it's really not like so early, but it's not so late. And considering, you know, I got all ready and stuff, I feel like that's not such a bad time. But yeah, that's basically like the morning, my morning routine per se. Like I said, I have early morning classes on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so I obviously can't do that on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Most of the time, if I'm like actually gonna be a good person, I wake up at 7 on the days that I have class at 9, and I'll try and get like a little bit of a routine, or do something productive before oh my gosh, I almost hit a squirrel. Literally, squirrels keep running out in front of my car, and like, I don't know why. Like, oh, it's so stressful. Anyways, yes, that is what I'm doing. I don't know what I was saying. Oh yeah, but yeah, this is my kind of routine. Wednesdays and Mondays are basically the 2 days that I actually get to do this type of stuff. But yeah, so I hope this wasn't so boring. I tried my best to make this aesthetic. I'm not the best at that, but I had fun doing it, so that's all that matters. Thanks for watching. Not that this is important at all, but I decided to go to the Brew instead because, not the Brew, Sweet Eugene's, because the Brew is so busy. Also, my hair is like very frizzy. Isn't that wonderful? So yeah, that is all. There is no reason for me to update on that, but I just felt the need to, so.